Last episode, we talked about the Dine and Discover NSW program. We talked about its benefits to the economy and to your mental health. Today, we are going to explore the places that are considered COVID safe by the government. These establishments complied with the necessary requirements and can accept your vouchers. We'll check out 5 dine places and another 5 discover places that might interest you. While this might be the case in Sydney, lots of options are available. The rural areas of New South Wales are not so sure about their Discover vouchers since they don't have a lot of establishments in their immediate area. Some are calling for the program to be modified, and rightfully so, since it's still going a long way until June 30. So right now we are in the service.nsw.gov.au website where you can search for all the businesses and establishments that can accept your vouchers. They are also considered COVID safe. You can search here with the postcode or the business name, and you can see the maps and all the businesses on the left side. You can also directly go to their websites, and that's what we're gonna do right now. So first on the list that we're gonna discuss is this place, the Sonora Mexican.com.au. It's a Mexican restaurant. It's officially the Estado Libre y Soberano de Sonora, the free and sovereign state of Sonora. You can see a short detail about the restaurants, and maybe you will be interested in the food menu. You can also see that through a PDF right here. This may not be updated, but at least you can have an idea of what they offer. They also have some drinks, margaritas, and beer. So sonora-mexican.com.au, you can visit that. And the next one is Saigon Summer. It's a Vietnamese restaurant. And right here they have a different design. And of course they have some order online features which you can't use your vouchers with. And then you can see that there's a lot of locations that you can actually go to. They also have a map right here. And we'll check out some of the things that they offer. Here you can see quality Australian produce, and they don't compromise on quality. That's good. And right here, let's see some photos, guys. And that looks yummy, actually. If you've been to Vietnam, you'll know that these taste good. And if you don't want to go there but want to taste it, just go to Saigon Summer. And next, Show Nua, new Thai street food. They don't have a website, but they have put on their Facebook page where they update a lot. I can't read Thai characters, but I just look at the photos. And if you've missed the taste of Thailand, this is your chance to have a visit on a restaurant that offers authentic Thai food. Yeah. Next is the Primi Italian. Is it, of course, an Italian restaurant. They offer pizza, meat, chicken, seafood, salad, sandwich. And let's check out the menu. They also have an online order feature, but you can't use your vouchers with that too. And unfortunately, the photos don't load. But you can see the prices, and that's good. You can have a a preview of how much you can spend. Right here you can just get something for your 25 bucks voucher. You have sandwiches, entree. Pretty reasonable. And the last one is SILY, since-I-left-you.com.au. I don't know how they come up with that name, but it's a small bar, your friendly neighborhood small bar. And this is just for chilling out. And as you can see later, they have a lot of drinks they offer, and of course some DJs that bust out some tunes while you hang out with your friends. And you can see the menu for Since I Left You. They have wine and cocktails. Pretty reasonable. Beers, of course, food. These are just things that you can eat while you drink your wine or beer. So that's it. I just picked it out because it's got a weird name, and of course it's a local bar. So we have Sonora, Saigon Summer, Shonua, and Primi Italian, and SILY, Since I Left You bar. Now we're gonna go to the Discover NSW businesses and establishments. You can still search here, the same thing we did. And then you have a map and all the details of the businesses on the left side. You can also adjust the map, and the search results will also adjust. We'll pick out 5 of them and discuss why they are worth your visit, and of course your vouchers. So the first one is the Next Level Escape, and unlike the Dine establishments, the Discover establishments tend to have a greater focus on safety. And you can see here you have being COVID safe, and of course it's obvious because you are with other people, and social distancing is kind of important if you're with other people. And the Next Level Escape is an escape room that can be enjoyed with friends. If you're alone in an escape room, then something is not going well, maybe. And of course you have large groups and small groups. There's no individual feature on this one, I guess. So grab some friends, and you can see here you have the Dine and Discover, and they accept it right off the bat. We just missed it. Next is the Museum of Contemporary Art Australia. Right off the bat, they also have the visitor safety information, which is not really updated for April, but it's still the same. No, it's been a year and it's still the same protocols that we follow, the risk that we are exposed to. But the thing about mca.com.au is they show you all the information that you want, the frequently asked questions, and they don't have rates for tickets. Just make sure that you are safe with other people. It's a fairly wide area, so social distancing should not be an issue. These are the schedule. And the next is the Wildlife Sydney Zoo. It's great for families, of course. And you can see the ticket prices. Let's see if they mention the Dine and Discover right here. Yes, Dine and Discover vouchers are accepted. Let's click Learn More. And of course, they are COVID safe. Yeah, and just redeeming the vouchers. You can also use the vouchers and just add in some amount if you want to bring the entire family when you visit. So the next one is The Gentleman Magician, a magical soiree. So you're cordially invited to an evening of storytelling magic for adults. So this is perfect for dating. If you're dating your special someone, you can go here. And remember to have a smart casual cocktail dress. And of course, they accept Dine and Discover. So this is Bruce Glenn, a little bit about the Gentleman Magician. And although there is profanity, you can see at the bottom, magical soirees are best appreciated by a mature audience suitable for ages 12 years and over. So not bad. So that's the magician, the Gentleman Magician. And the last one is the Sydney Philharmonia choirs. So if you want some relaxing time with music, especially classical music, if that's your jam, then this is the place for you. You can just go here and have a taste of what they do here. Yep, it's definitely worth a visit, the Sydney Philharmonia. And the next level, Museum Contemporary Art, the Wildlife Sydney Zoo, the Gentleman Magician, and of course, the Philharmonia choirs. So that's our top 5 picks, and you can explore the website if you want to know more. And if during your visit in Sydney you drop your phone or you needed a battery change for your Samsung phone anyway, just visit Sydney CBD Repair Center. Hey, we can help you fix your phone issues while you help us back in return. It's a win-win. Tell us about your Dine and Discover voucher experience. Have you used yours? Leave a like and subscribe to Sydney CBD Repair Center. Till next time, guys. Cheers.